We read about it. I had 2 or 3 people send me emails about it from across the country, and after the 3rd time that I got something about it, I said, okay, that's it, we're going to do this. And our team at the office put together the Twitter account and the Facebook account, and we started teasing everybody and inviting them to participate. And we chose a spring open house with our downtown merchants to initiate this. It was a random drawing of the businesses downtown. We did tell them the Friday before the Sunday so they would be prepared. But then we had about 29 people show up for the cash mob, and it meant about $2,500 to that independent business person that afternoon with the people that participated. Everybody had to spend $20, meet 2 new friends, and some of them were visiting this store for the first time. The business that was mobbed is the Main Attraction, which is a 27-year-old business in downtown Tupelo. It's owned by Barbara Fleischacker. She's an independent businesswoman, and she calls it the Main Street, the Main Attraction Emporium and Coffee Bar. And she has merchandise from all over the world. She has Elvis memorabilia. She has great coffees and danishes and things like that in the afternoons. A lot of people come in the afternoon to get coffee. And she's always been that independent business that stayed open late on Thursday nights. And she's just a great business to have downtown. We've had a bank approach us that would like to be involved in the next one, where they would match the $20. And we're working out the details right now to see how we do that and when we'll initiate that, probably sometime in this next quarter of the year.